Hello children, welcome back to Rama Kids Educational Video. I am back with a new rhyme and it is related to numbers. Alright, so it is an action rhyme. So you all have to do what? You have to do it with me. Okay, so let's stand up and do it with me. Alright, so the name of the rhyme is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So let's start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So, I hope you like it. So, as it is an action rhyme, you all have to do it with me once again. Alright? So, once again, let us start. Okay? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So children, I hope you loved it and enjoyed it very well. So, as it is an action rhyme, so you all have to practice, alright? Okay, so in the next video, I will be coming back with some new and enjoyable rhyme. Till then, bye-bye.